Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm your lofter, aka home checker. Today we're visiting an apartment at Daan Park, MRT, and it is very close to NTNU. And there are 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's check it out. This is the first floor of the building. There is the Daan Park and the MRT. There's a 7-Eleven here. There's elevators and also garbage cleaning. Okay, so this is the entrance. When you walk in, there is some storage space here. You can put your luggage, I think. And shoe shelf on your left, and some more storage space. Yeah, lots of them. Okay, so this is what the apartment looked like. There are living room, dining table, room number 1, room number 2, number 3, and room number 4, and that is the kitchen and the balcony, and this is the washroom. So let's start from the living room. Okay, so there is some couches, some coffee table, and a fan, and the dining table, there you can sit 6 people. There's some storage space. You can put your stuff, your instant noodles, your wine, and there's some microwave, vacuum machine, and a water fountain. And the bathroom, it is there's a bathtub, that's the sink, that's the shower head, there's a fan, the sink right here, okay, toilet, and there's some shelf, some hangers. Okay, and let's see, there's also a couch here, and this is the kitchen. There's a fridge, big fridge, and a freezer. You guys all share these, and the sink. Okay, and some glasses, cup, and electricity stove, fry pan, storage space for you to use. Great. There's a balcony, a window. Oh, laundry room. You can do laundry here. And you can dry your clothes here. And there's a dryer. Okay. From this angle, dining table in the living room. Let's check out the room number 1. It's really beautiful. very big window, good sunlight. There's a big couch here and a coffee table. And from is the view. It's right over there is Taipei 101, that little thing. Okay. And here is a desk and a chair and a standard double bed. And a mirror, some shelf, you can put your stuff here. It's the wardrobe, big one. Yeah, and you can also put your luggage on top. Okay, also turn on the light. Okay, I just turn on the light. And you see this thing? This is the AC. Yeah, the controller is here. Okay, let's see room number 4. It's this room. There's a shelf and a single bed and a window. Over there is the balcony, the laundry room, and a window AC. There's some pictures on the wall, and a desk and a chair and wardrobe. You can put your luggage on top. Yeah. Okay, a big one. And at the back of the door, there's a hangers. Okay, so room number 4 and room number 1 and number 2 will share the bathroom, whereas room number 3 is a studio with its own private bathroom. Great.